Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about one of the National Solar Mission, an initiative by Indian government that is Jawaharlal Nehru National Solar Mission. I will be talking about phases, challenges, objectives, and sustainable development goal alignments of National Solar Mission. Before going into the topic, I would like to explain about this National Solar Mission. What is Jawaharlal Nehru National Solar Mission? This is an initiative by Indian government to promote solar energy and reduce the dependence on a fossil fuel. Launched by Honorable Prime Minister Manmohan Singh on January 11, 2010, as part of India's National Action Plan on Climate Change. It is aimed to achieve 20,000 megawatts of solar power generation capacity by 2022. But how does this mission relate to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals? This I will be explaining in upcoming slides. To know more about this development goals related to this National Solar Mission, please do listen complete video. Now coming to the part of phrases of this National Solar Mission, the phase 1 of 2010 to 2013 will talk about the establishing a solar energy foundation with a target of 1,000 megawatts grid-connected solar power and 200 megawatts off-grid solar power. This phase laid the groundwork for India's solar revolution that is aimed to develop solar energy infrastructure, encourage private sector participation, establish policy frameworks, achieve initial solar power targets. But coming to phase 2 of 2013 to 2017, it expanded solar power capacity to 10,000 megawatts grid-connected and 1,000 megawatts off-grid, focusing on scaling up solar energy deployment and reducing costs. This phase saw significant growth in solar energy adoption and focused on scaling up solar power capacity, reducing solar tariffs through competitive bidding and enhancing grid connectivity, promoting rooftop solar installations. Coming to last phase 3 of 2017 to 2022, it is targets 100 gigawatts grid-connected solar power, with 40 gigawatts rooftop solar, aiming to achieve grid parity and make solar energy a mainstream power source. This phase emphasizes decentralized solar power generation. Now coming to the main concept of this National Solar Mission, challenges and objective. In any scheme or any national missions, the sustainable challenges and objectives plays a very crucial role, where in this also a sustainability challenges like land acquisition and availability, transmission infrastructure, constraints, and a financial variability of a solar projects. These are all the challenges that this mission faced, and the objectives are very important in this mission. The objectives are to achieve 20,000 megawatts of solar power generation capacity. This is to generate 20,000 megawatts of clean energy from sunlight to power Indian homes and industries, reduce solar power tariffs. This is to make solar energy affordable by lowering costs, making it competitive with other energy sources. Encourage indigenous manufacturing of solar equipment to boost Indian companies to produce solar panels and equipment, creating jobs and self-reliance, and promote research and development in solar energy is all about support innovation and scientific research to improve solar technology, efficiency, and sustainability. Now coming to the last part of this National Solar Mission. And previously, I had mentioned that an important topic, or a question, how does this mission relate to United Nations Sustainability Development Goals? For this, I will be providing answers in this slide. As you can see, how does this mission is related to SDG Sustainable Development Goals? 1. SDG 7. Affordable and clean energy. Ensure everyone has access to reliable, affordable, and clean energy from sources like solar and wind. 2. SDG 9. Industry, innovation, and infrastructure. Build sustainable infrastructure, promote innovative technologies, and support industries that benefit the environment. 3. SDG 12. Responsible consumption and production. Reduce waste, use resources efficiently, and promote eco-friendly practices in consumption and production. 4. SDG 13. Climate action. Take urgent action to combat climate change, reduce greenhouse gas emissions, and protect the planet. Conclusion. The National Solar Mission has been successful in promoting solar energy in India. However, it is known that the mission ended in 2022. National Solar Mission contributes to SDGs 7, 9, 12, and 13. This mission showcases the potential for renewable energy to address global challenges by promoting solar energy. We're reducing greenhouse gas emissions, creating jobs, and stimulating economic growth. National Solar Mission is a crucial step towards a sustainable energy future for India. In description, I have added references of this National Solar Mission for your reference.